Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the audio visual session of lecture 3. Our third topic is adjective degrees. But before starting adjective degrees, let's revise what is adjective. Adjectives are words that modify or describe nouns or pronouns. Adjectives tell us which one, what kind, or how many. Adjectives can be divided into two broad categories: quantity and quality. Adjectives of quantity refer to how many or how much of something. So students, adjectives जो हैं वो quality और quantity बताते हैं noun या pronoun की. For example, अगर हम quality की बात करें, so we can say that she is very kind. So she pronoun जैसे हमने अपने previous lecture में किया था, and kind उसकी quality है कि she is very kind. Now if we look for the example of quantity, if I say I have 3 pencils, so I will be pronoun and 3 will be adjective. Why? Because it's telling the quantity. Let's see some examples of adjectives. The candy is sweet. Now candy is sweet. Sweet is an adjective because it's telling कि candy किस तरह की है, sweet है, sour है, so it's telling the quality of that candy. He is clever. Now again they are telling the quality of a boy that he is clever, so clever is an adjective. The baby is cute. Here again we can see that cuteness refers to the quality of the baby, so it's an adjective. I have 12 color pencils. Now here they are telling the quantity of color pencils. How many pencils? 12. So 12 is an adjective. Now we will do adjective degrees. Adjective degrees are also known as degrees of adjectives. Adjectives are used to describe, identify, modify or quantify nouns or pronouns. जैसे हमने अभी पढ़ा था कि it describes noun, pronoun, उसकी quality, quantity को बताता है. Adjectives have 3 degrees that compare one thing to another. There are 3 adjective degrees. These are positive, comparative and superlative. So there are 3 types of adjective degrees. One is positive, second is comparative, and the third one is superlative. You can see from the example given here in the picture, positive, big. There is no comparison. यहाँ पे कोई comparison नहीं हो रहा, कोई change नहीं आ रहा, तो big will be written as it is, big. Positive में कोई change नहीं आता. Now comparative. Comparatives use होता है जब किसी चीज़ को दूसरी चीज़ से कंपेयर किया जाए. सो बिग का हम क्या लिख देंगे व्हेन वी आर कंपेयरिंग बिगर. अगर एक चीज़ दूसरी चीज़ से बड़ी है सो वी विल राइट बिगर, और अगर वो उससे भी बड़ी है और उसकी वो क्वालिटी को बता रही है तो वी विल राइट बिगेस्ट. दैट इज़ सुपरलेटिव. जब हम लोग को उसकी क्वालिटी को डिस्क्राइब करना होता है तो हम फिर सुपरलेटिव का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Let's have a clear explanation. The positive degree of an adjective makes comparison. Like in the previous slide, I have explained you कि positive degree remains same. उसमें कोई हम change नहीं लेकर आते हैं. But in comparative degree, we compare two people, things, activities और qualities. जब हम दो चीज़ों को compare कर रहे होते हैं, दो लोगों को compare कर रहे होते हैं, दो activities को compare कर रहे होते हैं, so हम comparative degree का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. And in superlative degree compares a person, thing, activity और quality with the group. लेकिन जब हम उस चीज़ को किसी ग्रुप के साथ कंपेयर कर रहे होते हैं तो हम सुपरलेटिव डिग्री यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे पॉजिटिव डिग्री में हमने क्या पढ़ा था? बिग। जब हम कंपेयर कर रहे थे तो हमने यूज़ किया बिगर, बट जब हम उसको बड़ी चीज़ से कंपेयर कर रहे थे, ग्रुप से, तो हमने क्या यूज़ किया? बिगेस्ट, क्योंकि हम उसकी क्वालिटी बता रहे हैं. Let's see the examples. For positive degree, number 1, a tall building. Now you can see that tall is an adjective and it remains same. इसमें कोई भी change हमने नहीं किया है. But if we see the comparative degree, a taller building than this one. We are comparing. हम एक बिल्डिंग को दूसरी बिल्डिंग से जब कंपेयर कर रहे हैं तो हमने क्या वर्ड यूज़ किया? taller. Then the superlative, the tallest building in the town. जब हम उसको बहुत सारी बिल्डिंग से कंपेयर करें तो हमने क्या यूज़ किया? tallest. ठीक है. Now the second one, she runs fast. Fast is an adjective. कंपेयर में अगर हम देखें कंपेरेटिव डिग्री में, she runs faster than I do. Here she is comparing with another girl. So जब वो किसी और से कंपेयर करी तो उसने कंपेरेटिव डिग्री यूज़ किया, faster. She is the faster runner among the students. Now they are talking about the group of students. जैसे मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था, जब हम किसी ग्रुप की बात कर रहे होते हैं बड़े, तो उसमें फिर हम सुपरलेटिव इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So here we have used fastest. Number 3, this is a beautiful car. Now here beautiful is an adjective, but हम beautiful के साथ beautifuler नहीं कह सकते या beautifulest नहीं कह सकते. Inappropriate word हो जाएगा ये. So for that we will be using more and most. Let's see the example. This car is more beautiful than yours. Here we are comparing with another car, so we have used more beautiful. Then for the superlative degree, this is the most beautiful car I have ever seen. Now क्योंकि group of cars से compare किया जा रहा है, most beautiful car she has ever seen, so superlative degree में हम use करेंगे most. More we will be using in comparative degree and most में हम most use करते हैं हम superlative degree में. For more clear explanation, let's see this picture. Happy, positive. Happier, comparative. The happiest, superlative. Good, positive. Better, comparative. The best, superlative. Useful, positive. More useful, comparative. The most useful, superlative. Young, younger. The youngest. Sweet, sweeter, the sweetest. Hot, hotter, the hottest. Okay, just see this chart very carefully on your screen. For positive you can see large, comparative, larger, and superlative, largest. Second, wise, wiser, wisest. Third, hot, hotter, hottest. Number 4, slim, slimmer, slimmest. Number 5, lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Number 6, wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Number 7, expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Number 8, wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. Now here you can see that in number 7 and number 8, in comparative degree we have used more, and in superlative degree we have used most. Okay, number 9, good, better, best. Number 10, bad, worse, worst. Number 11, many, more, most. Number 12, little, less, and least. I will suggest you to copy down this chart in your worksheet so that you may remember the degrees of adjectives. Now comes the turn of home assignment. Pick out the adjectives from the following sentences from your textbook, page number 19. जो आपकी textbook है कलरफुल सी, जिसमें स्टोरीज़ भी गिवन हैं, पोएम भी गिवन है, उसमें से आपने पेज नंबर 19 निकालना है एंड देन यू हैव टू copy down these sentences and you have to pick out the adjectives. First one I have done it for you. Number 1, once upon a time there lived a young girl. Now what you have to do, आपने पहले फर्स्ट सेंटेंस को कॉपी किया, देन आपने सेकेंड लाइन पे आपने नंबर 1 अगेन लिखा और उसमें से कौन सा पिक आउट किया एडजेक्टिव नंबर 1 में, यंग. सो यंग यू विल राइट, ठीक है. देन सेकेंड, शी वेंट टू अ गुड स्कूल एंड हैड अ क्लेवर टीचर. नंबर 3, बाय मिस्टेक शी ब्रॉट हर ओल्ड टेक्स्ट बुक टू क्लास instead of the new one. Number 4, the forgetful girl thought the teacher would shout at her in a loud voice. Number 5, but the thoughtful teacher noticed the poor girl's expression. Number 6, the teacher opened her metal cupboard with a shiny key. Number 7, you can borrow this spare copy, said the kind teacher. Now remember that in this exercise you just have to pick out the adjectives, okay? Just adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives define the quality or quantity of the noun. Okay, question 2. Fill the blanks with the appropriate form of adjectives. Now here you have to use the appropriate form, appropriate degree of adjectives. Number 1, Anam is the dash student in the class. Now first one I have done it for you. Now tell me which degree you will use in this sentence. Yes, Anam is the best student in the class. Why we will use best? Because here we are comparing Anam with a group of students. यहाँ पे पूरी क्लास की बात हो रही है, एक बच्चे की बात नहीं हो रही है, पूरी क्लास की बात हो रही है. तो जब हम बड़े ग्रुप की बात कर रहे होते हैं, क्लास की बात कर रहे होते हैं, तो हम कौन सा डिग्री यूज़ करते हैं? सुपरलेटिव. वेरी गुड. Anam is the best student in the class. Number 2. Now बाकी आपने 2 till 7 you have to do it by yourself. My watch is dash than your dress. Number 3, Ali is dash than Shafi. Number 4, Sarah is dash than Sana. Number 5, fox is the dash animal. Number 6, Mr. Muhammad Hussain is the dash bowler in our cricket team. Crow is dash than cuckoo. Review of today's lecture. We have covered adjectives, degrees of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative.